Okay, I'll find the coefficient of y to the power 4 in this, so that shouldn't be too difficult. I just need to have y at the end to the power 4, so the 1 is going to be to the power of 8, so there's 8 of the 1's, 4 of the y's, and that will be 12 from this, and then c4. And that equals 12c4 is 495. That's y to the power 4. So the answer 495. Now, I can sort of do the question. What's the expression of y to the 4 in this? Well, it's going to be 495 times by the y to the power 4. And the y bit is a second term, so this would be 3y to the power 4, and that will be 40,095 y to the power 4, so the answer is 40,095. Part B, y to the 8 in this. So again, we want to have, it's the same thing, we're looking at 4 of those, so it's going to be 495 times by the y to the power 4, and the y to the power 4 is this bit, so it's minus 2y squared to the power of 4, and that will be 495 times by a negative times a negative, or an even number of negatives times together will be positive, and 2 to the power 4 is 16 y to the power 4, and so that equals 7920 y to the power 4. And finally, also the answer is 7920. And finally, we got x to the power of 8 y to the power 4. So yes, I want 8 of these and 4 of these. So the coefficient will be 495 times by x to the power of 8 times by a half y to the power of 4, and that equals 495 x to the power of 8 times by a half to the power of 4 is 1 over 2 to the power of 4, which is 16. So y to the 4, and that equals, well, I just put down 495 over 16. X to the 8, y to the 4, or if you want it as number, 30.9375. Okay, but the coefficient, it just needs the number, it doesn't need the y to the 4 or whatever it is to go with it. That's done.